guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to optimize WooCommerce product images. Let's get started. So let's start right here, and we have in here this product. So what we can do in this case, you can click on this edit option right here, and we need to optimize our product images by resizing them. So once you head over to this editor, you should be able to scroll down and you can see in here the image. So click on the image, and then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to edit it out right there. You can see in here the title, description, the likes. You can click on this particular attachment, click on this edit image right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see this. So in here, you can click on this scale. And now this will resize it. So as of right now, it's on the 5,000 pixels, which is quite big. So what you can do in this case, you can put in here 1,200 and then scale it. And then once it's done scaling, you should be able to see the picture right here has been scaled smaller than it is. Now head over, and as you can see, it has been resized and you can set this product image. One thing you can do as well, head over to tinypng.com and you can just drop your images right here, and this will help you resize each of them. Another option is to edit it through the paint. So I have in here this particular image, or this one, just right click on it. And then from in there, once you have right click on this edit option right here. Now this will open the paint. So you can click on this resize option right here. You can resize this by percentage or by pixel as well. So for example, resize it around 280. After that, click on OK, and as you can see, it becomes smaller. So just save this right here and then just upload it as your product image. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, there, subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.